Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more thrilling than getting an invite to a stunning black tie wedding, finding the absolute perfect designer gown, and then realizing you have to figure out how to breastfeed a hungry baby in 20 layers of silk tulle without ruining your outfit or your vibe. Squeezing into a high-end dress is stressful enough, but adding lactation to the mix, it can feel like a total logistical nightmare. If you are heading to a glamorous formal event this season, whether it is a lavish ballroom affair in Manhattan or a bougie estate wedding in Newport, you do not have to compromise on your fashion or your baby's schedule. In fact, knowing a few luxury hacks can turn what feels like an impossible mission into a total breeze. Today, we are spilling the tea on the exact strategies for breastfeeding in a formal gown, so you can look like a total VIP while keeping your baby perfectly fed. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your mind or your luxury aesthetic. We know that being a breastfeeding mom doesn't mean you have to stop attending fabulous events, dressing up, or living your absolute best life. But it does mean you need a really solid game plan. Grab an iced coffee and let's get into it. The secret to surviving a black tie event while breastfeeding all comes down to the architecture of your gown, the high-end gear in your clutch, and knowing how to navigate the venue like a total pro. Let's start with the absolute baseline rule you need to memorize before you even start shopping for your outfit. The wrong dress will literally lock you out of your own supply, while the right gown is a total game changer. When you are looking for that perfect black tie look, ditch the high neck zippers and stiff corsets. Instead, look for gowns with deep wrap necklines, cowl necks, or stretchy off-the-shoulder styles that you can easily pull down. If you want a more structured look, two-piece formal sets or gowns with hidden, invisible zippers along the side seams are worth every single buck. Another ultimate power move is utilizing separates, like a stunning silk blouse paired with a high-waisted formal maxi skirt. This allows you to lift from the bottom without having to strip down completely. Whatever you choose, make sure you test run the dress at home with your nursing bra underneath before the big day. You need to know exactly how much fabric you're dealing with before you are in a crowded ballroom. Now, let's talk gear, because navigating a formal event is exhausting enough without dealing with visible leaks on expensive fabric. Regular nursing pads are way too bulky and will totally ruin the silhouette of a sleek gown. Investing in ultra-thin, silicone reusable nursing pads like Lily pads is a total lifesaver. They stick directly to your skin, stop leaks before they start by applying gentle pressure, and are completely invisible under the thinnest silk. If you are bringing your pump to the wedding, highly consider packing a cordless, wearable pump like the LV or Willow inside your luxury diaper bag. If the baby is staying with a nanny at the hotel, you can slip away during the cocktail hour, slide the pumps right into your gown, and express a few ounces while catching up with friends. To keep those ounces chilled without carrying a clunky cooler, use a sleek travel chiller that looks just like a high-end water bottle and slips right into your tote. So, what happens when it is actually time to feed? First, take a deep breath. Do not stress, but definitely do not try to awkwardly feed your baby at the reception table in front of 200 guests. The moment you arrive at the venue, do a quick scout for the ultimate quiet spot. Many luxury wedding venues have private bridal suites, upscale lounge areas, or quiet library rooms. Simply ask the wedding coordinator or the venue captain if there is a private space you can utilize for 20 minutes. Taking control of your environment from the jump ensures you and your baby can relax. If you need to feed in your seat, a lightweight, breathable silk scarf doubles as a stunning accessory and a chic, low-profile cover. It keeps your style elevated while giving you all the privacy you need. Navigating a black tie wedding as a breastfeeding mom doesn't have to be a nightmare. With the right gown, the right luxury gear, and a little bit of prep, You can conquer any formal event, look absolutely gorgeous, and keep your baby perfectly happy. If you loved these tips and want more real talk on navigating motherhood, high-end gear, and all things baby, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you have a wedding on the calendar, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite formal wear hack. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Cheers, mamas.